Hello guys, welcome back to my English learning session. Today I want to share with you very special and very personal something. Our lives, many incident happens. Some are good and some are bad. Even some difficulty situations teach us great lesson. आज मैं अपने रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस के कुछ इंसिडेंट आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। मेरे एक ट्रेन जर्नी के दौरान मैं डिफ़िकल्टी सिचुएशन में थी और मुझे कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड हेल्प मिलता है जो मेरे लाइफ को सेव करने में मदद करती है, जिससे मेरा गॉड के प्रति फेथ और बिलीव और भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है। तो मैं अपना वही रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस अपने टीचर के साथ शेयर किया हूँ और वही सेशन मैं आज आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। तो ये वीडियो ना सिर्फ आपको एक ग्रेट लेसन सीखने को मिलेगा, बल्कि आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि हम अपने पास्ट के घटनाओं को कैसे पास्ट टेंस की सहायता से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। तो ये लेसन हमारा लर्निंग और स्पीकिंग स्किल को भी डेवलप करने में हेल्प करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello, Sujana. How are you?
Yes, sir. I am fine, sir. Thank you for asking. How have you been, sir?
I am well, Sulochana. I'm well. Good to have you back. All right. So, how was your day until now?
Today it's busy a little bit, but it's great. Actually, it's holiday today, so
Because it's a Saturday, yes?
yes. Saturday.
Okay, all right. All right, sure. Shall we begin with the assignment? If you want to do that first?
Okay, sir.
Okay, all right. We are talking on mysteries today, right? The world is full of mysteries. Our life is a mystery. How did we come into this world? I mean, where was life, coming out of? I mean, how did life enter the body? What happens after death? That is a mystery. What is the purpose of life? Who created the universe? Is there a god? Who is that god? Right, so there's enough amounts of numbers of mysteries.
Yes, sir.
Plus there are mysteries about space, mysteries about what is under the earth. Of course we know it, but we have not seen it yet. Yeah. So there is no end to mystery. How do atoms stick together? Like, why do why do people who are deeply in love with each other become enemies with each other? It's very difficult. This is also mysterious. So, what are some of the mysteries which come to your mind sometimes? Right? What are some of the mysteries which you get fascinated by when you imagine those things?
Okay. Hmm. Sometimes magicians are doing some activity
Mm-hmm.
mm, that is really mysterious. Actually, how could it possible?
Hmm.
Hmm.
What are some of the suspenses which you have? Maybe if you have any experience of any suspense, of any mystery, you can talk about it. You can share if you have any mystery or suspense you would like to have a discussion about, or any personal experience you would like to share.
Okay, sir. One personal incident. Um, it is miracle. I could say it is miracle. That is also mysterious
Hmm.
incident. So that's why I am gonna to share with you.
Tell me about it.
Yes, sir. One Sunday, um, uh, our family,
Mm-hmm.
actually my husband and his all families were going to a hilly area uh, to spend time with together. and visited the place.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we went there and whole day we enjoyed, and up and at the evening,
In the
there
evening, not at the evening, in the evening.
in the evening,
Hmm.
the time when we were returning,
Hmm.
at the station, actually that is the station name is Ballampur station, and
Hmm.
maximum friends were from Ballampur, so they stopped there. But my town is far from Ballampur. It took 1 hour, so we decided to take a train. Hmm.
Hmm.
And that time, just train time was maybe 9 p.m. and
Hmm.
8:30. My friends and many family were talking.
Hmm.
They are gossiping, actually. They was gossiping, and at that time they got to know just train was late, so they
Hmm.
gossiped. And suddenly we heard whistle, train whistle,
Okay. Okay.
and all were started. Two families were there who had to come Purulia,
Hmm. Hmm.
hometown, actually.
Okay.
All were stopped there. So two family were, we were starting to running, actually. uh,
Hmm.
i I wore sari, so I could not run fast.
Hmm.
Uh, all were running, and all were succeed to um, get over the train, actually, and I was nearby.
Now I'll ask you a very creative question, right? Not related to what you know, but what you want, right? Something that you want. If you had any control of your soul, that what it should happen to it after death, what would you want to happen to it after your death? If you have a direct control on what happens to your life, or I mean what happens to your soul, then what would you want to happen to it?
Okay, after that, my soul, okay, my control.
Hmm.
Hmm. Was nearby, just train was started.
Hmm.
It ran slow. Then my husband was the next door, actually, train next door, and I was
Hmm.
at the another door with the right. Then he said, just you got up train.
Hmm.
and and I didn't think anything, and I tried to go up the train, and I step out my leg, and suddenly I slipped,
Hmm.
and I tried to hold the handle of train door.
Hmm.
but
Okay. All right.
but at the time, I didn't know. Just few second, I was mm, on the train. I was on the train. I woke up on the train.
Ah.
Suddenly, the family who were with me, one boy ran fast and come to me
Hmm.
and asked, "Auntie, how are you? Are you okay?"
Hmm.
I said okay. Then I started to crying. I
No.
cried. I
Hmm.
I was crying.
Hmm.
When I reached home, I asked
Hmm.
my husband, who helped me to walk up the train.
Hmm. Hmm.
He said no one was there. That boy also said, Auntie, I
Hmm.
felt like you are under the train. I saw your incident, just your mm, feet were slipped and
Hmm.
under the mm, train. Uh, so then I asked my husband who helped me to
Uh,
on the train, and I also felt like someone was there who helped me to get off the train, but no one was there. Then incident was really mystery, actually.
this is
I
an
thank
this is an
there. Then incident was really mystery, actually.
this is
I
an
thank
this is an amazing experience. This is an absolutely mind blowing experience. Hmm.
Yes, and then I thanked God. Actually, it was the real incident. It was a real incident. I
Hmm.
thanked God and realized that God helped me.
Hmm.
So that day, my life saved. So
Hmm.
that was the mysterious story.
Okay, all right. I would also like to understand when these things happen. Do you believe in maybe a higher power, or do you start believing in something bigger than our own capacity? What happens to your mind? What happens to your thinking process when you go through or listen to such experiences?
God power or any mystery, just but I believe that
Hmm.
hmm, spiritual or any what we call.
Yeah, spiritual power, right?
Hmm.
um, some of the problems that some of the things that we all like to experience know more about is about the concept of ghost, yes, or life after death or soul. What is your understanding of it? What is your knowledge of it?
I didn't have any experience, ghost or hmm, ghost or
No, it's okay. You may not have an experience, but any concept, any intellectual understanding, any knowledge, or any stories you have heard. Like, what
hmm,
about soul? What about life after death? Life, what about ghosts? Anything that you know of or you have heard about?
hmm. I had after death soul, uh, many soul just wandering because before
Hmm.
wandering because they क्या बोलते हैं समय से पहले मृत्यु हो जाती है कुछ द
Hmm.
इंसिडेंट पीपल से लाइक दैट
When a person dies before its time, yeah.
before its time then their soul is wandering somewhere I heard like that. Yes.
Hmm. Then what happens? I mean, according to your understanding, what happens?
Actually it is mysterious things.
Yes, of course, it is mystery. I mean, just from what we have heard, we don't know, right? We don't know anything. Just from what we have heard.
That's why we prefer to in Mahalayas or in during the Navratri we offered our ancestor
Hmm.
mm, tribute or what we say.
Hmm.
Because their soul become peace and they got mukti. I I would help the people like
Hmm.
so that's type or maybe I go through the spiritual path so that
What is spiritual path according to you? When you say maybe I go through the spiritual path, what are the features or characteristics of a spiritual path? What happens in a spiritual path?
actually non-violence as a justice every people help to get justice and help to others that is spiritual I think so when we make other person happy help to other
Hmm.
hmm. Many maybe spiritual path means somewhere motivational somewhere doing something spirit is doing something like that.
Okay, okay, all right.